Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
We're going to look at some of the stocks on the move today. With me, Lisa Mateo, Paul Sweeney. I'm Tom Keene. Good morning, Lisa Mateo. Let me guess. Da-da-da-da.
You got it, exactly. Intel, Nvidia. That's what we're talking about. It's ticker INTC, ticker NVDA. And the big tech news. Yeah, Nvidia investing $5 billion in Intel, plans to co-design data center PC chips. So Nvidia shares have been up as much as 3% before the open, and Intel has been up as much as 30% before the open. So if you look under the hood, Intel is basically going to use Nvidia's graphics technology in their upcoming PC chips. Then they're going to provide processors, easy to say, for data centers, products that are built around NVIDIA's hardware. Okay, so Ed Ludlow, he talked about this. It's going to put them in better competition with companies like Advanced Micro Devices. And this was also talked about how it's more kind of good news for Intel because they really needed it. I mean, you had the U.S. government took a roughly 10% stake in Intel. You had Japan's SoftBank. They surprised with their own $2 billion investment. And then Intel's also raising cash by selling assets to investors too. So a lot to take in this morning. That really came out strong this morning. Another stock on the move is restaurant operator Darden Restaurants, ticker DRI. Their shares have been down as much as 6%. Their company, they're based in Orlando. Their adjusted earnings per share missed expectations, but it also reported a miss on same-store sales at Olive Garden. That was a big downfall for them. I know. Okay. What also fell short, it was this comparable sales growth, because that's like that key industry metric. It fell short at both Olive Garden, but also Longhouse Steakhouse. It fell. That's a bad. I'm not going there.
Let's stop the show right now.
Let's not go there.
Boy, are we going to get an email from Long Steakhouse? That's folks. I think can I get a response from the control room? Was that the worst gaffe we've ever done? I think our global technical director goes, yes. Save us and finish the stock movers with elegance.
Let's move on now to Cracker Barrel.
Oh no.
CRBL shares are down 8%. Yes, the sales guidance makes expectations, right? But the big thing is it's still dealing with that fallout from that logo change. It's not going away. I know, Paul. Even President Trump weighed in, right? Yep. They did stop the logo change. They stopped the plans to remodel the restaurants. But the company's CEO said it already spent $20 million on the remodels last year. Okay, now they plan to remodel those stores. Yeah. So they're going to put it back to how it used to look after spending that money. And since they announced that logo change, foot traffic, the CEO said it fell 8%. So people did stop going back to the restaurants after that. Right. And they said it's expected to fall 7 to 8% in the fiscal first quarter.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.